Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn science class first lesson, plants increasing the number. Previous class already we discussed pick the correct option, fill in the blanks. Yes. Today see children your textbook. Page number 14. Complete the series. Page number 14. See it. Page number 14. See it. Complete the series. Complete the series. Okay, here given see children one mango. Mango have seed. Okay, it's a complete, but here see blank, and here given root. R-O-O-T. This series is completed. Okay, see second one hiptage. Hiptage move for wind. Hiptage is move for wind. This series is completed. But see this one. Here given explosion. Here given explosion. Okay, explosion. Third one. Cabbage. Cabbage grow which season? Winter season. Which season? Winter season. It is a blank. And next here summer. Which vegetable is growing summer season? Here right. Okay. Next fourth one rice. Rice grow in clay soil. Rice grow in clay soil. Okay. See blank. And here given black soil. Rice grow in clay soil. Which crop is growing black soil? Here right. Black soil. Okay. Next fifth one mulch. Mulch grow in dry soil. Mulch grow in dry soil. See here. Dry soil. Blank. And sandy soil. Which crop grow in sandy soil? Right here. Okay. It is a complete disease. Here see. Mango is a seed. Root. Which plant grows in root? Sweet potato. That's W-E-E-T. Sweet potato. Sweet potato grow in roots. Hiptage moved by carried by wind. Hiptage carried by wind. Which plants are the explosion? Pea plants are the dry and explode. Cabbage grow in winter season. But summer season which crop is grow? Which vegetables grow? Brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-L. Brinjal. Okay, brinjal. Here say mango. See, it is a complete. Sweet potato. It grows root. Hiptage carried by wind. Pea is a explosion. Next cabbage grow in winter season. Brinjal grow in summer season. Rice grow in clay soil. And black soil, which crop are they growing in black soil? Yes, cotton crop grow in black soil. Next maize grow in dry soil. Which crop are they growing sandy soil? Onion and groundnut also. CROUND, groundnuts. These crops are the growing sandy soil. Complete this series. You also note in your textbook. Okay, children. Mango, seed, sweet potato. It grows into root. Hiptage, it is carried by wind. Pea, it is explode. Next cabbage, winter season. Brinjal, summer season. Rice, clay soil. Cotton, black soil. Mulch, dry soil. And onion and groundnuts grow in sandy soil. You also complete the series, children. Okay. Next one. Next bit. D bit. Next bit. D bit. Here see children D bit. If you were a gardener, if you were a gardener, which part of plant, which part of plant. Which part of plant would you plant? Would you plant? Would you plant to grow a new plant? To grow a new plant. To grow a new. Here see children, what is the debate? If you were a gardener, which part of plant would you plant to grow a new? See here given some. Rice plant. Rice plant. Rice plant grow seed. S-E-E-D, seed. Yes. Second one, rose plant. Second one, rose plant. Third one, ginger plant. Ginger plant. Fourth one, onion plant. Onion plant. Fifth one, sweet potato plant. Sweet potato plant. Sweet potato plant. Sixth one, bryophyllum. Sixth one, bryophyllum. Bryophyllum plant. Okay. These plants are the which part grow into a new plant. Rice plant. Rice plant seed grow into a new rice plant. Rose plant. Rose plant means stem. Rose plant stem grow into a new plant. Ginger plant. Ginger plant is a underground stem. It grows new plant underground stem. Okay. Onion plant. Onion plant also grow that part underground stem. Underground stem. These plant parts are which parts are they growing to a new plant? Rice plant seed part is growing to a new plant. Rose plant stem part is growing to a new plant. Ginger plant underground stem is growing to a new plant. Onion plant underground stem growing to a new plant. Sweet potato plant. Sweet potato plant roots are growing to a new plant. Bryophyllum plant. This bryophyllum plant leaf grow into a new plant. These plants parts seed is growing to a rice plant, new plant. Rose plant stem is growing to a new plant. Ginger plant underground stem is growing to a new plant. And onion plant, this is also underground stem growing to a new plant. Sweet potato plant, this sweet potato plant growing to a new plant roots. Bryophyllum plant, this bryophyllum plant leaf is growing to a new plant. Understand? You also note in your textbook and write in your textbook children. Rice plant, seed, rose plant, stem, ginger plant, underground stem, onion plant, underground stem, sweet potato plant, root, bryophyllum plant, leaf part is growing to a new plant. These parts are the growing to a new plants. You understand children? And next one, see children, EBIT. Which bit children? EBIT. EBIT, question and answers, means plants increasing the numbers, question and answers. EBIT, question and answers. Okay, write the short answers. First lesson question and answers. You write in your notebook. First one. Name the outer layer covering of a seed. Outer covering of a seed. What is the first question? Name the outer covering of a seed. What is the first question children? Name the outer covering of a seed. Seed. Name the outer covering of a seed. Name the outer covering of answer. Write the answer. the outer covering of a seed is called the seed coat. Is called the seed coat. Seed coat. Okay. Name the outer covering of a seed. The outer covering of a seed is called the seed coat. Is called the seed coat. Okay. Now understand children. What is the first question? Name the outer covering of a seed. The outer covering of a seed is called the seed coat. And today, see children, I said today, see we complete the series. Mango, seed, sweet potato, root, iptage, wind, pea, explosion, cabbage, winter, brinjal, summer, rice, clay soil, cotton, black soil, maize, dry soil, onion, sandy soil. Okay now, if you were a gardener, which part of a plant would you plant to grow a new plant? Rice plant, seed part is a grow into a new plant. Rose plant, stem part is grow into a new plant. Ginger plant, underground stem grow into a new plant. Onion plant, underground stem grow into a new plant. Sweet potato plant, root is a grow into a new plant. Bryophyllum plant, leaf part is grow into a new plant. Here see next way to write the answers. Name the outer covering of a seed. Here 6 question and answers there. Today I only said first question. Name the outer covering of a seed. The outer covering of a seed is called the seed coat. Okay. You write today homework. Read and write C beat, D beat. This first question. Okay. Now E beat first question. Are you understand children? I hope you all are understand.